Hey everybody, thanks for joining us again today for another Hometalk Live. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really cute and cozy pillow cover for a Christmas craft idea. And all you need is an old sweater. So I have this old sweater here, and I actually used to wear this. It's an extra large. I wore it when I was pregnant, and so now it's kind of big and baggy on me, and I'm going to turn it into a pillow cover. This is really easy. You can use any pillow that you already own and you want it to change it out seasonally or just kind of switch it up, or you can buy like an insert. And today I am using an insert. This is from IKEA. I paid $2 for this. It's really just kind of fluffy and nice, but I don't like this bright green color, so I want to cover it up, and I'm going to do it seasonally so I can switch it out when I change my decor. So please comment in right away, say hi, let us know where you're coming from. I am in central Minnesota and my name is Melissa. If you've seen my crafts before, hashtag Melissa Mondays, I'll give you a shout out. Just comment and tell me your name. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay out our sweater, and we need a length of fabric that's twice as long as the pillow, and it doesn't have to be twice as wide and twice as long. We only need it twice the length, just twice one direction. Does that make sense? You'll see when I kind of get it done. So we're gonna lay our pillow on here and kind of just start cutting.
Awesome. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. We've got people from all across the states, California, Nebraska, Kentucky. Wow, thanks guys. Michigan, North Carolina, holy moly, everywhere. Anyone from other countries, tune in, let us know. We always like to have a global event.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching Hometalk. We always share lots of craft videos throughout the whole day, so be sure to subscribe to this channel. As you can see, this was super easy. All I did was cut the bottom off this sweater. We want to use a huge piece of fabric to create a cozy Christmas themed pillow cover, and I'm just cutting the bottom off my sweater. See, look at this. I just literally cut it off. So if you're just joining us, that's what we're making. Check it out. Crazy, huh?
And if you know somebody who would love this, go ahead and click share. Share this with those people who you know need some cute decorative pillows in their house.
Yeah. Okay, and then I also wanted to show you just quick, if you're tuning in, I want to show you what the end product's going to look like, because I know a lot of people like that. And I also want to point out that you don't have to use an old sweater. You can use any fabric. This is one that I made with like a purple felt cute fabric, and see, that's what we're gonna be making today. Here's the seam in the back for us to shove the pillow into. Really, really easy. I think you guys are gonna be super impressed with how easy it is. Okay, so let's get started. Now we cut the bottom off this sweater, but we're gonna need to also cut it open. So we're gonna go right on the seam, right here, and cut it open.
Perfect. Looks like just about anybody could do this with simple tools that you already have in your house.
Yeah, and this is a no-sew pillow cover. So I'm going to be using a special product called E6000 glue, and I'm sure some of you crafters out there are familiar with that, to attach this together, because it's machine washable and it's industrial strength adhesive. If you don't have any sewing skills, don't worry, you can still do this craft. If you do have sewing skills, for sure, run the hem underneath your sewing machine. This is going to be even stronger. But the main purpose of this is to just kind of show you how to put together something easily that's going to allow you to change out your seasonal decor on your couch. Okay, so we're done with that. Now how we lay out the fabric is, now here, I need your help, you guys. I wasn't sure with this. I think what I'm going to do, since the fabric's this way, it's going to end up like that. Does that look cute? See how this side is kind of ribbed? I kind of like that, actually. It adds a little interest.
Oh yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so now we want to make sure wherever we are gluing is the inside. Okay? And let's see. We want to flip it this way, because I want that inside seam here.
Oh, now, I see.